I'm Vicki Crossland.
And I'm Brandy Cook of the Aiken Homes team at Maybaum Real Estate.
We'd like to welcome you back to Real Trends and Tips for homeowners, sellers, and buyers.
This week we're going to discuss a selling tip that won't ruin your budget.
One of the most inexpensive ways to refresh your home's exteriors and that will brighten your home's curb appeal is pressure washing. You should pressure wash your home siding, driveway, walkways, patios, and even deck area.
As you can see, mildew and dirt and grime, after time, it accumulates, and particularly on the northern side of the home. It makes the home look uncared for and is not very welcoming.
Now you can do this on your own, but be careful to apply the right pressure to any surface or you can do damage. And you'll spend a day or two of your own time.
Or better yet, hire an affordable professional pressure washer who can get it done right in a small amount of time at a very reasonable cost. You'll be amazed how different your home will look afterwards.
Well, check out the difference it makes. This is well spent time or money.
Stay tuned for next week. Next week we'll give you another selling hack that won't ruin your budget. If there's any topics that you would like us to discuss, comment below.
Or message us.